Whether you're working from home or in an office, you'll likely spend a lot of time in your chair, making it susceptible to spills and stains. To keep your chair clean, promptly address any mess by picking up solid debris and blotting liquid spills with a damp cloth. Check the care tag for specific cleaning instructions. S-coated chairs require solvent-based cleaners, while W-coated chairs can use water-based solutions. For tough stains, you can use rubbing alcohol, but test it first on an inconspicuous area. Regularly vacuum your chair using the appropriate upholstery attachment and mix a mild soap solution for deeper cleaning. Don't forget to clean the wheels by removing debris with a butter knife and wiping them down with a damp cloth, ensuring they're completely dry before reattaching them. Lastly, clean the chair's arms and legs with a damp cloth, using a mild soap solution if necessary.